In a yard so green and wide lives a puppy full of pride. With a wagging tail and floppy ears, he chases butterflies without any fears. He rolls in the grass all day long, barking happily a cheerful song. With a nose so wet and eyes so bright, the playful puppy is a delightful sight. In a cozy home not too far lives a kitten, a little star, with star. With fur so soft and eyes so blue, she explores each day, finding something new. She pounces on yarn and chases her tail. With little meows, she tells her tale. The curious kitten, full of cheer, brings joy and laughter far and near. In a meadow, lush and green, lives a bunny, calm and serene. With a twitchy nose and fluffy feet, he nibbles on carrots, oh so sweet. He hops around, so light and free, a gentle friend for you and me. The gentle bunny, soft and kind, a sweeter pet you'll never find. Yes, you'll never find. In a meadow lush and green lives a bunny, calm and serene. With a twitchy nose and fluffy feet, he nibbles on carrots, oh so sweet. He hops around, so light and free, a gentle friend for you and me. The gentle bunny, soft and kind, a sweeter pet you'll never